This continuum representing group 3, question 1. So basically, we're going to find the median of an array. So I've declared here the variables to be used. And the most important thing, I want you to focus on the term because it is what you're going to be using here. Now, I'm taking you direct to the logic for sorting the array. So we have two loops, the inner one and the outer one. You will see this term here. I said it was very important. Now we are going to use it here for finding the sorting. Now we come to the logic of finding the median. We take the array size, we divide it by 2, and if the remainder is not equal to 0, then that array is of odd elements. Therefore, the median will be n divided by 2. Else, it will be of even elements. Therefore, we'll have n divided by 2. Then we also minus the other side n minus 1. Then we find the median. So I'm going to run this code. Array of 5.
Hello, my name is Stephen. I'll be taking you through question 1b. So we get the mode of elements in an array. First thing we get the size, then we enter the elements of the array. Then for the logic, here is the loop. We are saying the first element as car, and then the inner loop we are testing the first element with all the elements in the array. Then we are sending it to the counter. So the element with the highest frequency will be assigned to max count. Then after we exit the inner loop, we set everything to 0. Then let me execute the code so that you can see it. Array size I will end up. One again. So the mode is 1. Thank you for that.
Center number 3, Joseph. Basically, I'm covering about C, structure of a student, the structure of an employee. Initialize two arrays, student, employee, with their details. Then we come the first one, we put their details for student, the employees. Then we check if the second employee name is equal to student second name. Then for that, we increment the salary by 1.1, which is 10% raise. Then there is an increment in salary student 1.
My name is Bernard, and I'm taking you through number 2. So the program allows you to enter a word which is stored in a type of character array. Then you print the word the number of times equal to the size of the word. So you achieve this by using a for loop, and I will demonstrate the code. So we enter any word, and then we print it. The word is 6, and then
Joseph Thuo again with question number 3a, where basically we are finding the power of a number x and power is n. We enter the value x at n. Number at power we test if it is greater than 0 positive integer. If it is not 0, we multiply that number by the root, the number of times. Then we return the result. The function is power. We call the power in the main function. Then we execute the code. We put 2 to power 3, 8. Thank you.
This is Wendy going through question 3b. So basically, this question we're going to find the factorial of a number, whereby we have initialized two arrays. The first, which we take in the elements in the array. Using the for loop, we enter the elements in the arrays in the A array. Then the second for loop, we calculate the factorial as it's placed in the B array. So we execute the code, giving the elements of each. And basically, here's the elements in the array and the factorials. Going to 3C, we basically in here, we initialize the size of the array. Then using the print array function, we pass the array as a parameter in that function, whereby as it loops, we store the elements in that array. And in the main function, we pass the array in the print array. And basically, running the function, we get the elements in the array. Thank you.
You can also look at the link below for the codes.
Thank you.